I'm Jay from BIOMARA, a seaweed biorefinery based in Scotland. Now I'm going to start today by introducing our team. This team has decades of industry and technical knowledge and expertise. What I see this team working on every day is to deliver natural products that we believe can solve the world's greatest challenges. Yes, of course, you're all aware of these challenges, these problems, but what you may not be aware of is that seaweed can be a positive lever for change. We firmly believe in our team that seaweed, ocean farmed at scale, can feed the world. It can clean the oceans, for example, removing 20,000 tons of nitrogen from the European waters alone. And it can deliver biomass for products through seaweed bioprocessing. But seaweed bioprocessing currently uses old technology, and there are many challenges to overcome to deliver a true seaweed biorefinery concept. This is where I can tell you today that our team of seaweed superstars have found the solution. We will build a first-of-its-kind, industrial-scale biorefinery using innovative technologies that will be patented. The construction of our biorefinery will be an investment in new technology that with a high return, and it will also be a commitment to sustainability and impact through stimulating growth for ocean farmed seaweed by introducing high value products to market. Our product verticals we have 5 product verticals and 1 mainstream process. This process is optimized for our phacoidin product range. Now, phacoidin is a compound found in cosmetics and nutraceuticals and food additives. Our key metric in the business model is this phacoidin revenue. This you see on the right-hand side of the pie chart, that phacoidin revenue alone covers direct costs. What this means is that the other co-product verticals are cream on top. This results in our high gross margins. There are other phacoidin producers, though, but what we see, the majority of them use unscalable, unsustainable wild harvest and do not follow a biorefinery approach. The build of our biorefinery follows a strict roadmap, which requires investment. This investment includes reaching key milestones. For example, collaboration with a Portuguese laboratory, and also, especially in fact, increasing our market traction through 2024. For the rollout of our biorefinery, which we hope will contribute to a more sustainable future. Thank you very much.
Loic will join to answer questions.
This is Loic. He's our Portuguese seaweed superstar.
Just extra support here.
Okay, I'll start. Thank you. Good job. You mentioned you're going to use innovative technologies or new technologies, but you didn't really explain what that is. Could you just tell us what kind of technologies are those and how ready they are? Because you spoke in the future. So.
Yeah. So I'll say something and then maybe Loic can join in. We are looking at technologies that we can extract different levels of value from the same seaweed biomass, multiple products. And focusing on phacoidin as our optimized product, our lead product, it's a very highly bioactive compound. So we are looking at high grade, highly bioactive. So it has to be a gentle, non-degrading process. So the technology enables bioseparation. I might let Loic take some more on the technology side.
At the moment, we are actually not disclosing the exact technology we are using because we really need to evaluate how we are going to patent it. But it's an innovative technology that especially focuses on processing everything cold. This way we can preserve a lot more of the components of the seaweed. In that way, we are trying to apply a more cleaner, more healthy process so that we can have as much of the value of the seaweed, especially all the way through the biostimulant. So we want to retain all those fine components, all those smaller components that are actually and bring a lot of value. And the way we work is we target the fucoiden, and then we work around it, and then we can deliver all the other streams for it. But it's mainly not using harsh solvents, so it's just water. We are not going to use any chemical solvents or anything like that, and because of this technology that helps us process.
Which is currently at TRL 4 and 5 after our pilot scales, which we are continuing through January, February next year.
Any other questions?
Hi, thank you. If you win, how do you think on spending the award? What do you want to focus more?
Good question. Would you like to?
You can start if you want, or
No, you go.
Yeah, fine. Well, as Jay mentioned before in the presentation, R&D collaborations are a very interesting case. Also, diversifying the seaweed source, because here in Portugal, different seaweeds can be grown compared to where we are at the moment base in Scotland, which is more focused on kelp and brown seaweed. Yeah, that's just a few ideas, but also I think in terms of IP and regulatory would be quite good. So certifying our products, all of that, because of this Blue Bio network and the awareness you have already here with some of the partners regarding how to promote those products and get them into the market as safe and as quick as possible. I think that would be a great advantage for us.
Yep. We would start with research collaborations and move from there. I think that would be the main answer, but in the future, also I wanted to add that after we roll out our first biorefinery, there'll be more biorefineries situated close to source, and so we're already investigating those locations.
Just following up, who's your ideal client? Who, if you had to name a segment and a big company or something that would be you love to partner, what would be?
Yep, that's good question. What we're going to do is focus on the fucoiden lead product, which we're optimized for, and we already have letters of intent. So we're initially looking at cosmetics companies, cosmetics brands and formulators to get that in the market and prove the benefits of the product on that world. But this is the short term, this is the lower hanging fruit. In the long term, it's all about working towards health claims, and these take time, they take research and development. So those health claims to get through the supplements and nutraceuticals, that's where the highest price point for fucoiden is, so that's where we're aiming. Thank you.